Good morning. Let's see the next problem. A worker takes normally 9 hours to complete a job on a daily wages and 6 hours on a scheme of payment by results piece rate system. It means 9 hours normally worker is taking if he is working on a daily wages, but as per results the worker is taking only 6 hours. So his day rate is 75 paise per hour. So rate per hour is 75 paise. Time allowed by the worker for a day is 9 hours. Time taken by the worker is actually 6 hours. The material cost of the product is 4 and the overheads are recovered at 150% of total wages. Calculate the factory cost of the job under piece rate system, Rowan system and Halsey system. So you need to calculate the factory cost under each methods. So first method is piece rate system. Under piece rate system, the formula is earnings is equals to number of units produced into rate per unit. Here in the problem, they have not mentioned number of units produced. So there is no output mentioned in the problem. That's why we will consider number of hours worked into rate per hour. Number of hours worked by the employee actual is 6 hours. Rate per hour is 75 paise. It means 0.75. So 6 into 0.75 is 4.5. Under Halsey plan, the formula for Halsey plan is earnings is equals to number of hours worked into rate per hour plus half of time saved into rate per hour. Number of hours worked by the employee, actual time taken by the employee is 6 hours. Rate per hour is 75 paise, that is 0.75 plus half of time saved. So you need to calculate time saved here. Time allowed is 9 hours. Time taken by the employee is 6 hours. So time saved is 3 hours. So 3 into rate per hour is 0.75. So 6 into 0.75 is 4.5. 3 into 0.75, if you calculated half of this is 1.125. So 4.5 plus 1.125, you will get 5.625. And Rowan plan, earnings is equals to hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved divided by standard time allowed into hours worked into rate per hour. Here, number of hours taken by the employee is 6, rate per hour is 0.75, time saved is 3, and standard time is 9. Rate number of hours worked is 6, and rate per hour is 0.75. So 6 into 0.75 is 4.5. 3 divided by 9 is 0.33 into 6 into 0.75 is 4.5. So 0.333 into 4.5, you will get 1.5. So 4.5 plus 1.5, 6. Now you have to calculate under all the three methods factory cost. They have mentioned material cost is 4 and overhead will be 150% of direct wages. So calculation of factory cost, material consumed under all the three methods will be same. Under piece rate system is 4, Halsey plan is 4 and Rowan plan is also 4. Direct wages we have calculated just now under all the methods. Under piece rate system we got 4.5, under Halsey plan it is 5.625, under Rowan plan is it is 6. So if you add this, there is no direct expenses here. If you add material cost plus direct wages, you will get prime cost, that is 8.5. 4 plus 5.625 is 9.625, or round it up to 9.63. 4 plus 6 is 10. And if you add factory overheads to the prime cost, you will get factory cost. So factory overhead, they have mentioned it as 150% of direct wages. So 4.5 into 150%, you will get 6.75. 5.625 into 150%, you will get 8.44. 6 into 150%, you will get 9. So if you add prime cost plus factory overhead, that is 8.5 plus 6.75, you will get total as 15.25, and 9.63 plus 8.44, you will get total as factory cost of 18.07, and 10 plus 9, you will get factory cost under one system is 90. Let's see the next problem. Following information available with respect to a particular type of labor. Here they have given monthly salary, basic pay is 2000 and DA is 75% of basic pay. And house rent allowance is 400 per month. See, all the information they have given in terms of month only. So we have to calculate for month. Then leave salary earned is rupees 3,500. CCA is 200 per month, and interim relief is 10% of basic plus dearness allowance. Employer contribution to PF is 5% of basic plus DA. Employer contribution to ESI is 2.15, 2.5% of basic plus DA. Pro rata expenses on amenities is rupees 25 per month, and number of working hours in a month is 200 hours. So you need to calculate the cost of labor per day of 8 hours. So this is a question paper problem. It is a 2015 question paper problem, 6 marks question. So you need to calculate the labor cost. So they have given some information. Just record this information. First they have given monthly salary. Basic pay. Basic pay is how much? 2000. DA they have mentioned it as 75% of basic pay. So calculate 75% of 2000, that is 2000 into 75%, you will get 1500. And they have given house rent allowance. House rent allowance is 400 per month. See, don't consider it into annual because we are considering all the items under monthly basis. 400. Leave salary earned. So leave salary earned is rupees 3,500 and CCA is 200. So leave salary earned is 3,500 per month and CCA is 200 per month. The next is interim relief is 10% of basic plus DA. So interim relief you have to consider 10% of basic pay plus DA. Here basic pay is 2000. DA we have calculated 75%, that is 1500. So 2000 plus 1500 is 3500. Interim relief is 3500 into 10%. It will be 350. Then employer contribution to PF is 5% of basic plus DA. So employer's contribution to PF is basic is 2000 plus DA is 1500. So total will be 3500. Calculate 5%, you will get 175. Then employer contribution to ESI is 2.15% on basic plus DA. So basic is 2000 plus DA is 1500. Total will be 3500. Calculate 2.5%, you will get 87.5. And they have given pro rata expenses on amenities, that is 25 per month. So pro rata expenses on amenities will be 25. And now all the items have been recorded. If you add 2000 plus 1500 plus 400 plus 3500 plus 200 plus 350 plus 175 plus 87.5 plus 25, you will get total earnings for the month is 8237.5. So we need to calculate labor cost per day of 8 hours. For 8 hours, you need to calculate. Take the total value 8237.5. We are calculating for 8 hours. Total number of working hours will be 200. So divided by 200, you will get 329.5. This is the labor cost for 8 hours. Thank you.